Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Imqiraas Tech. Friends, Sony has introduced the new smartphone Sony Xperia 5 Plus, which has added various new technologies in this device. This mobile phone is added with various new specifications, but today we are going to talk about some main specifications that are leaked recently. So Xperia 5 Plus will have a 6 inches display. Yes, it has 4 main camera lens, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, another 12 megapixel telephoto lens, third one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and last one is a TOF 3D camera sensor. You can record 4K video on this smartphone and also 60 fps slow motion video. Leaks about front camera is are specified that it will 8 megapixel front camera. Talk about the battery, it will have a 4000 mAh battery with the 18 watt fast charging. RAM and internal memory is also confirmed. 6 GB RAM and 128 GB variant is coming, and also it will have a 12 GB and 128 GB variant. Aspect ratio of the screen will 21:9 and resolution will 1080 by 2520 pixels.
So that's it for this video. For more leaks and renders, please subscribe and press the bell icon.